I've known Luke for quite some time. I've worked in Penrith myself for about 18 years now. I've seen Luke grow up as a young lad. Used to be always outside the local chippy with his hoodie up, feet dragging across the floor. Didn't go to school much, but always a nice chap, and he'd say hello to you, and that was about it really. That was the first impressions.
So I used to hang around the streets getting in trouble with police, getting my friends in trouble. And then I was introduced to a scheme which is run by Penrith Partnership called Winter Skills and Summer Skills. And I really liked it, and I thought, right, I'm going to start doing some more training now. And just started seeing more to life than hanging about and getting in trouble. We
thought, yeah, he probably won't turn up. Probably won't get out of bed at the right time of day. But he did surprise us. He turned up and he started getting involved in a couple of taster sessions we had within in the centre in Penrith.
And I really enjoyed it and just wanted to gain more experience all the time. So I took further training in carpentry, tiling, plastering, painting and decorating. I just wanted to help out my community, give back to my community, get to meet new people, learn new skills, instead of just hanging around being bored, making trouble, causing trouble in a local fish shop.
His confidence is huge. His self-esteem is huge. He's got pride in where he lives. He's happy to tell people where he's from. He dresses differently, he walks differently, but more importantly, he inspires other people. I don't think he realises he's inspiring other people by being himself. But with that knowledge and expertise he's gained and the skills development he's gained, he's an inspiration not just to himself, but to his family, to his community and to his friends as well.
I attend a local youth club where all the youngsters from Penrith gather. I'll just go along and talk to them and ask them what would they like to do when they're older and how they like to approach it. The younger people are coming on to me and asking me how I done this, how I done that, and I explain to those like.
We can't see any way back to how he used to be outside the local chippy. He's got everything, he's got tools in his bag, to excuse the pun, for the rest of his life.
In the future I intend to gain full-time employment first, and then maybe in a few years' time I'd like to start my own business in carpentry. And I'd like to employ other people who had like a hard time from when I started. The sport has definitely helped me. It's like another step added to that ladder now. Over the moon, really happy.